everyone, this is Jen with Scrappin' Posh, and I'm here with a 4 by 4.5 by 2-inch spine mini album share. And this is using the DCWV Winter Stack, and I have another one like this, but no two are alike. So, similar but not the same. This has 4 different page styles, and as always, if you're interested in making this album, I have tutorials. I'll link those below. It's 4 different tutorials, each for 1 page design, so you get the full effect there. So each page has a large tag, and then behind each page is a file folder and a mat. And then this page coming up here has a flap that goes up, a large tag, and then on the back, the file folder and the photo mat. And then the ones, there's 2 pocket pages, and they have 2 mats in them each. And then this pocket flips this way, and there's those cute bears sticking their heads out. I love those bears. So it's a winter theme, but it's not a Christmas theme, which is nice. There's nothing Christmassy in here. It's a nice place to put like a label. Snowmen are cute. There we go. And there's my vertical flap again. And this is thinner paper, so it doesn't take up so much room, so you can stuff a bunch of photos in here. And winter is right around the corner. For those of you who like that, yay. For those of you who don't, I'm sorry. Alrighty, and there we go. If you don't know how exactly you would decorate this album, I also have a video where I decorate one that's made exactly like this one with pictures and put it all together for you and then do a share. So if you just can't imagine putting pictures in this, then check that out too. And the link to this Etsy listing is in the description below if you want one but you don't feel like you want to make it. Yeah, this is the way to go. So I thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful night, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.